Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Queen Alice. So guys, my dearest crypto fans, your Alice is again back with another amazing review of Signal Expert. So guys, today we will discuss about the Signal Expert app in full review. So it's for educational purpose only. Please watch full video till end. And before starting the further review, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So here we go guys with the Signal Expert. So what is Signal Expert? It is a professional AI powered trading signal service that helps traders make smarter and more profitable decisions in crypto, forex and gold markets. So you can use a blend advantage of algorithms, technical analysis, market sentiment, tracking, and real-time global news. Signal Expert delivers high accurate trade setups directly instant the mobile app. So guys, Signal Expert is very real-time verified, and here you can check out the website for the Signal Expert, and you can use and you can set up it on the mobile app. Here it's clear entry points, it's take multiple, it's stop loss protection, it's real-time notification, it's market condition alerts are on the mobile app. Signal Expert is built for traders who value precision, timing, and risk controls. So, key features for the Signal Experts are its AI powered, its real time alerts, its market and news analysis, risk management, multi market coverage, and professional reporting, premium support, and you can use it. So, how its work and how you can have access to the app. So here the app link is provided on the Signal Expert official website, and here we go through it, and here the link is. So these are the benefit and these are our communities. So here is the Signal Expert mobile app which is available. So you can track it, you can take it anywhere with your Android and with your iPhone application. So here you can check out, you can push the notification, get instant alerts for the profitable, and here you can get alerts for directly to your phone. You can lightning fast, you can execute faster than other optimized mobile interface, and you can also access for offline access. You can download signals and you can view them when you are offline. So here is our Signal Expert app, and here is a direct link available for the App Store and also for the Google Play. You just have to click on the Google Play or the App Store, and this interface will open of the Signal Expert, and you can install and it's you can download. And what this app offers, let's have a look. Why you choose Signal Expert? Here is the risk management, and it's beginner friendly and it's no fit, and here you can check out it is for the smart AI analysis, this app, and you can use, and its instant alerts are good options for the mobile users, and it's execute with confidence, and it's 24 over. So market coverage 73% win rate, 73% is the rate, and 15k plus is the active. And here you can check out why you have to choose this, and it's AI analysis. So this was a review about the app. You can download from the Google Play, and you can also download it from the App Store. So hurry up guys, to avail this opportunity, and here you can have a look for the Signal Expert app, and here you can have a link direct from their official website which is Signal Expert. So guys, here you can have a look for the their premium plan which is subscription forex silver, which is crypto silver, and here you can check out who are the ambassadors and what this says, and you have no need for complex and chart analysis. You can handle it for you, you can save time and avoid emotional, you can assess opportunities, and you can build discipline with structured entry and exit level. You can reduce risk with stop loss and volatility, and you can improve consistency through AI driven insight. So guys, here you can check out much more. Here are their subscription plans, and here you can check out much more. And here this website is available, and you can join their social media account. It's on Twitter, Telegram. It's an air powered Signal for all of the crypto users. You can join thousands of successful, and it's available. And I will provide the link in my description if you want to download this amazing app. And here you can check out their website also. So guys, I will also share you the link for, and here you can get the link. I will also place in my description for the Signal Expert app on your mobile phone or your Android or iPhone. So guys, this was a short review about the Signal Expert mobile app, and you can install now on your phone, and it's for push notifications, lightning fast and offline access. So it's very so here you can check out its characteristics, which are push notification, lightning fast, offline access. So how was the review? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.